And nothing like a relaxing day. Yo, Tails, guess what I just got? Knuckles, where did you get that firework? eBay. Knuckles, are you sure that's a safe firework? I mean, if you light it up in the house, that will literally blow it up. I mean, you're gonna blow up the house. Oh, come on, Tails. It's not gonna be that bad. Fine, but if you blow up the house, I'm blaming this on you. Party pooper. Alright, let's light this joint. Now all I need is get the matches. Well, crap, no matches. Oh, that's not good. Oh, crap! I'm okay. Happy 4th of July, folks.